How to change currency on Solflare. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change currency on Solflare. To do so, first of all, open your Solflare application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in this page, you'll be able to see the settings icon or the gear icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on this icon and once you reach to the settings page, here look for the general option. You'll find this option at the very top of this section. Tap on general and by doing so inside it, you'll be able to see different options. Go ahead and select this currency option and here you will see currently US dollar is selected. Now from here you'd need to find the currency that you'd like to change to. Once you find the currency, you will need to tap on it to select it. You will see the tick mark at the right side to indicate the selection. After selecting it, come back and see you have successfully changed your currency on Solflare. So by following these steps, you should be able to change currency on Solflare application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.